Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a page in a PDF. First, understand that there are several methods available, ranging from professional software to free online tools. We'll cover the most common approaches, ensuring you can efficiently manage your documents. Whether you need to remove one page or several, these techniques will help you streamline your PDF files with ease and precision, often in just a few simple steps. For professional results, Adobe Acrobat is often the go-to choice. Simply open your PDF document with an Acrobat, then navigate to the Organize Pages tool. From there, you can easily select the specific page or pages you wish to remove. A quick click on the Delete icon will eliminate them. Remember to save your modified PDF afterward to ensure all changes are permanently applied, typically taking only a few moments. If Adobe Acrobat isn't an option, many excellent alternatives exist. Software like Foxit Phantom PDF or Nitro Pro offer robust editing features, including page deletion. For quick, occasional needs, numerous online PDF editors provide a convenient, browser-based solution. Just upload your file, delete the unwanted pages, and download the revised document. Always prioritize your data privacy and security when using any online service, especially with sensitive information. Before making any significant changes, always create a backup copy of your original PDF. This simple step can save you from accidental data loss. After deleting pages, take a moment to carefully review the entire document to confirm accuracy and ensure no essential content was inadvertently removed. If you're combining content, consider merging multiple PDFs after deletion for a cohesive final document, making your workflow much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.